Hello guys, are you trying to pay for land search on Ardhi Sasa but stuck? Watch this video until the end, but first, like this video and subscribe to Mediacliq for more guides made simpler. To apply for land search in Kenya, you must have an Ardhi Sasa account. So let's go straight to my account and follow keenly. Log in to Ardhi Sasa with your ID and password. Go straight to Ardhi Pay as indicated on the screen with the red mark. Click Ardhi Pay Services. Click New Application button and fill in the details correctly. As shown on the screen, on Department, choose Department of Land Registration. On County, select your county according to your parcel of land. On parcel number, type exactly as it appears on the title deed. On process, choose search. On payment item, choose search fee. Search charges per parcel is 1,050 Kenyan shillings. The amount is paid via M-PESA, but remember, on the amount field, just type 1,000 shillings and not 1,050. Then click Next and then click Generate. Click Yes on the dialog box to submit the request, and the search application will be created. Close the application successful dialog box and click Pay. Scroll and choose your payment mode. When you select M-PESA, you will be required to type your M-PESA number correctly, then initiate payment. You will be prompted to enter your M-PESA PIN for the payment of 1,050 Kenyan shillings to be made. Once payment is done, you will be redirected to your application invoice details. Download and print your invoice. You will be required to submit copies of your invoice with other relevant documents like copy of your title deed, ID, KRA, and a correctly filled and signed search form. All this should be submitted to your registry office for verification. The search will take a maximum of 3 working days, so you need to be patient. That's how simple it is to pay for your search on Ardhi Sasa. If you need help to pay for a land search or any other government online application, send us a text through our WhatsApp number displayed on the screen or description. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.